Welcome back to Latin with Mrs. Gearing. If you find these videos helpful, please do subscribe to the channel, it's lovely for me to see, and do leave me a comment on anything that's useful or that you would like done differently. Feel free to let me know. So in today's video, we're moving on to passives. So in active verbs, you are doing the verb. In passive verbs, you are having it done to you. Think I love versus I am loved. If you need a more detailed understanding of this, then click on the link that is coming up now that will explain grammar terms to you. So your present passive indicative. Your tense is present, your voice, like we said, is passive, and your mood is indicative. You translate this, as I just said, as I am something or I am being something. So I am carried or I am being carried. You are carried, you are being carried. You are ruled, you are being ruled. So anything along those lines. I am something and I am being something. You form this in Latin using your present stem, your linking vowel that you had in the present active indicative, and your basic person passive endings. If you need a reminder of your passive endings, then click on the link that is coming up now. So an example of this would be portor. So port, your present stem, r is your linking vowel, the a, sorry, and me is your basic person ending for we, first person plural. So we are carried or we are being carried. So let's have a look at the whole table. The only thing to really remind ourselves of here is that while we say it's the linking vowel and r, in the first person singular, you have this or the whole way through. The o is quite easy to forget. And in the first conjugation, it feels like it should be an a before the r, but it is not. In your first conjugation, it becomes portor, I am carried, amor, I am loved, vocor, I am called. So all those kind of things. And as you can see, other than that, in your second conjugation, you've got the e coming through. In the third, it becomes an I, and in the fourth and mixed, it is an I, except for, and the reason I've highlighted it in yellow is that it's already weird, is in the second person singular of your mixed, it becomes capieris. It can be capieris, that's fine, but it will always have that E. So sometimes you have an I before it, sometimes you don't. Both are accepted. And don't forget in your third person plural, in your third, fourth and mixed, you will change it to that U as well. So if you need to come back to this table, just keep saving it. I have a booklet coming out soon with all your different grammar tables on. If you are interested in that, then do let me know. So let's have a look at some practices. If you want, you can pause the video here. Don't forget to like the video if it is helpful to you. It's lovely for me to see. So, portar mini would be, so if you think of your endings, r is to mini untur, you plural are carried or are being carried. Vocor, like I said, that o there, first conjugation from voco to call. So I am being called or I am called, either is fine. Ferrimer from ferro, which is dropping off the bottom of our screen there, but ferro is to bring, bear, or carry. So we are carried. Number 4, moneris. So from moneo, and it is your second person singular, so you, singular, are warned or are being warned. Number 5, scribuntur, from scribo, meaning to write, and untur always being your third person plural ending, so they are being written. Or are written. Think about your letters. The letters are being written. Capieris. This is exactly what I was saying. You can have an I, you don't have to have the I. And so that would mean you, singular, are captured or are being captured. I will always use both different translations when I'm giving you the examples so that you can see that both work. You just pick whichever sounds most natural in the sentence or passage you're translating. Vocantur then, again that untur being the third person plural, so they are called, or they are being called. Tenetur from teneo, second conjugation, so he, she, or it is being held. Ducimini would be from your third conjugation, so duco, and that I being your vowel that comes through, so you, plural, are being led, or are led. And the last one, audimini, me being we, so we are heard, or we are being heard. Okay, so there you have your present passive indicative. If this video was helpful, please do remember to like it. If you want more Latin grammar coming in the future, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will be going through all the different passive formations of verbs next. If there's something else that you would like to cover, then don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Thank you.